This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Quick, Tim!
Just like you, and just
Topsy,
like us,
run!
and we'll be friends forever.
Go, Tim!
We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together and be best friends forever.
Hello! It's us! Topsy and Tim! Mr Rosen is coming! Come on! Wheelchair exercises. He's here.
Did you finish your lunch? I'll go and answer the door.
Okay. We love it when our friend Mr Rosen comes round. He always has good ideas of things to do. I've finished. Hi, Mr Rosen.
Hello, Topsy and Tim. Oh, it's a wheelchair,
Hi,
isn't
Mr
it?
Rosen.
I need it to help me get around. Hello, Tim.
Do your legs hurt, Mr Rosen?
Yes, a bit.
Mr Rosen had a fall.
I did, and I had to go to hospital. But don't you worry, I'll be up and about walking very soon. And there's lots of fun we can have when I'm in a wheelchair. Do you have a ball?
Oh, yes, I'll get it.
Topsy, give me a push.
Yes.
Over here. Yeah, that's good.
This is fun.
And right. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Is it like a
Yes,
roller coaster
excellent.
on there?
Very good.
I've just
This
put the
way.
kettle on, Mr Rosen. Would you like
Oh,
a cup of
thank
tea?
you. Lovely, Joy. Thank you. Oh, very good, Topsy. Oh. Tim, perfect. That's just right for my special exercises.
Special exercises?
Special exercises? The doctors told me I had to do exercises to stay strong and get fit again. Now we can go back into the living room. Bring the ball, Tim. Oh, yes. Good. To the right, Topsy. To the right. Straight ahead.
This is a tight
Straight ahead.
space.
You all right? Left. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Back. Left. Wonderful. Here we go. That's it. Oh, that's enough. Thank you very much, Topsy. Brilliant. Oh, now, give me the ball, Tim.
Here you go, Mr Rosen.
Thank you. If I do this with the ball, right? Up and down again. Up and down again. It keeps my arms strong.
Here's your tea, Mr Rosen. I'll just pop it up here.
Thank you, Joy.
Okay.
Now, Topsy, your turn to try my special exercises. Up.
Down. Up. Down. Up. Down.
Right, Tim's next.
Catch.
Up.
Down. Up.
Very
Down.
good.
Up. Down. Do you have any more special exercises, Mr Rosen?
Well, there's the touchy finger exercise.
The touchy finger exercise.
Yes,
What's
it's
that?
to make my fingers strong so that they can do things like hold a cup of tea. You see, you touch your fingers to your thumb one at a time. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Great work! You'll have strong fingers too. Oh, there's one more important exercise. This one's for my legs. I'll need a bucket and, some of those building blocks.
I'll get the building blocks. I'll get the bucket.
Oh.
Is one box okay, Mr Rosen?
That'll be fine, Topsy. Thank you.
Here.
Here he is. Well done, Tim. Now, can you hang it on my foot, please?
Yes, I think so.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yes, those are okay. Drop a couple in the bucket, please, Topsy.
Okay. Oops.
That's it. And put the bucket back. Great, perfect. Now then, that's enough, that's fine. Are you ready?
Yep.
Up, down, up, down. It's good for my legs, you see.
Good work. Do you think Daddy, Daddy and Little Moon Bunny will be able to have a ride in the bucket as well?
Why not? All aboard!
We'll get them! We'll get them! Little Moon Bunny and Teddy! Let's go, Bunny! My name's Ellie Teddy. Here we are, Mr Rosen. Mr Rosen? He's asleep. Mummy?
Oh, shh. Don't wake Mr Rosen up, Topsy and Tim.
He was playing special exercises.
I know, but just let him rest. He must be a little bit tired. He's still not very well, you know. And maybe, if he has a little sleep, he'll be able to play with you a little bit more later. Out we go. There you go.
We were having fun. Yes.
I know, but just let him rest and you can play with him a bit more later.
I want to make Mr Rosen a get well card. No, Topsy, we can make him a get well bucket. Oh, yeah. A get well bucket? Yes, we can stick things on it and decorate it. Oh, yeah, great idea, Tim. I'll get my make and do box out. Special bucket. It takes a long time for us to get Mr Rosen's exercise bucket just right. We draw pictures of him and stick them onto it. Look, Mummy. I put a butterfly on the handle. With our feathers. There. Cool, it looks cool. Yeah.
What do I see? Oh, that is lovely, Topsy and Tim.
Hello?
Oh, hello, Mr Rosen.
I'm so sorry. Did I go to sleep?
It's all right, Mr Rosen.
What have you got there?
Well,
Oh, what's that?
it is an exercise bucket. It's a special one that we've decorated. It's for you, Mr Rosen. It's a get well one.
Thank you. It's beautiful and useful. I'm going to use it every day to do my exercises and think of you two, Topsy and Tim.
I hope your legs get better soon, Mr Rosen.
Well, Tim, it does take a bit longer to get well again now that I'm older.
And that's what Mr Rosen said. But I want to be out of this wheelchair by the time you two start school.
But I want to be out of this wheelchair by the time you two start school, Topsy and Tim. And do you know why?
No.
Well, I can stand at my window and see the children walk to school over the footbridge. And I'll be able to watch and wave to you both from my window every day, when my legs are better.
And we'll wave to you every day from the footbridge on the way to school. We promise. We really, really promise.
And I promise too. That'll be something really nice for me to look forward to.
Oops.
Now, let's use my new Get Well bucket and start some more exercises, right? Let's go
And
back.
that, said Mr Rosen, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, our friend Mr Rosen came round in his wheelchair. Can you remember what we made for him? Was it a get well bucket? Or a get well card? The answer is behind the jigsaw piece. Look, the answer is a get well bucket. Watch this. A get well bucket. Yes, we can stick things on it and decorate it. Oh yeah, great idea, Tim. I'll get my make and do box out. locked. I know. It takes a long time for us to get Mr. Rosen's exercise bucket just right. We draw pictures of him and stick them onto it. Roar for Rosen! Look for me. I put the butterfly on the handle. Great game! That was good fun. See you soon!